Beauty Care Grade 7 and 8, Exploratory, Week 3 and 4, Quarter 1. Josephine A. Tolentino. You will learn, identify the standard procedures in cleaning nail care tools. Differentiate sterilization from sanitation. Demonstrate, show the proper cleaning of nail care tools according to standard procedures, and appreciate the importance of performing the correct standard procedures in cleaning nail care tools. Week 3 to 4. Standard cleaning procedures of nail care tools and equipment. What is the difference between sterilization and sanitation? Sanitation is the process of destroying some, but not all microorganisms, while sterilization is the process of destroying all living microorganisms. Sterilization and sanitation techniques are being practiced in the beauty salon, which involve the use of physical agents like heat radiation and chemical agents like antiseptics and vapor fumigants. How do disinfectant differs from antiseptic? Disinfectant is a substance used to control microorganisms on living non-living surfaces such as tools, equipment, and other furniture and fixtures. Antiseptics. The difference between antiseptics and disinfectants. Antiseptics destroy microbes or inhibit their growth, while disinfectants only destroy microbes. Antiseptics do not harm living tissues. Disinfectants cause harm to living tissues. Antiseptics used in wounds, cuts, affected skin, while disinfectant used in bathrooms and others. Standard cleaning procedures of nail care tools and equipment. 1. Read directions on how to use a disinfectant. Why do we need to read directions? A. There might be some chemicals that can harm you. B. Know how to use properly. C. Directions tells us how to do something. It tells us direction from beginning to end. 2. Measure and mix disinfectant as directed. How do we know if we are using the proper chemicals and their proper usage? It is through the directions we read and follow. 3. Saturate a cleaning cloth with disinfectant solution and wipe entire surface area and equipment. Saturate means to make something completely wet, like water, thoroughly to saturate the soil, to loosen or soften the soil. 4. Wipe the surface with paper towel to dry it. What is the reason? Why do we need to wipe the flat surface with paper towel? Paper towel can easily absorb liquid. Fifth, dispose of sanitizing solution and use towels. Dispose means to throw off. We need to dispose of sanitizing solution, use towels, and tissues to prevent the spread of virus. Preparation of metal implements for sterilization. Number 1, soak tools and implements in hot, soapy water solution. Rinse them thoroughly. 2, place the tools, implements in a 70% to 90% alcohol solution for 20 minutes. 3, remove the tools, implements from the solution. Wipe them dry. Place them into a dry sterilizer. Preparation of the sanitizing jar. 1, cleanse sanitizing jar with disinfectant and wipe it dry. 2nd, place thin layer of sterile cotton at the bottom. 3, remove implements from wet or dry sanitizer and place them into jar, handles up except for the metal files. 4th, fill jar with 70% to 90% alcohol solution to cover cutting edges and tips of orange wood stick. After every working session, the following tasks should be done. A, tools which are made of plastic should be kept clean and sanitized properly in preparation for the next patron. B, empty bottles and containers are discarded in a covered trash bins. C, used treatment produces and other chemicals are stored, arranged and properly labeled in the cabinet. D, finger bowls must be sanitized before use of every client. Letter E, the hand and foot spa machines must be flushed with a solution of about 5% bleach and circulate the liquid through the system for at least 10 minutes. F, leave the solution in the hand and foot spa machines overnight or at least 5 to 10 hours before draining the machines so that they are thoroughly sanitized. Letter G, tabletops and door handles are wiped with disinfectant and the floor should be mopped with disinfectant as well. Letter H, metal tools and instruments must be sterilized following proper sterilization techniques. After the process, store a dry cabinet until ended or needed. Letter I, tools, implements which are made of porous materials such as nails, nail files, buffers, nail brushes, and orange wood stick can harbor bacteria easily since they are wood products which cannot be sterilized. Their tools should not be reused. Waste materials should be disposed properly in an enclosed waste bin fitted with polythene bag. The bin should be sanitized with disinfectant regularly in a well-ventilated area. Remember to wear protective gloves while doing this. Letter K, contaminated waste should be disposed of as recommended by local authority. L, any tool or equipment in poor condition must be repaired immediately or disposed properly so as not to pose danger to the clients as well as the beauticians. Learning task 1. Arrange the jumbled letters to form the correct words related with the methods in cleaning different nails, nail care tools, and instruments. Guide question. How did you get the correct answer? How do you define each word? Can you consider the words mentioned above important in providing nails? How do you call the process of destroying some but not all microorganisms using or antiseptics? This is learning task 2. You have to choose the letter of the best answer. Write the letter of your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Learning task 3. Identify whether the cleaning procedure to be done in each tool or equipment is sterilization or sanitation. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. Guide question. How do cleaning agents affect the health and wellness of a person, especially in this time of crisis? How much is the price of an alcohol today? If a person hoards 5 bottles of alcohol, how much will be the total cost? Complete learning task 4. Complete the conversation of Carla, the manager in a nail care salon, and Lyra, the applicant, by supplying the missing words of standard procedures in cleaning nail care tools and equipment. For learning task 5, on the selections and procedures below, draw the following standard procedures in cleaning the different nail care tools and equipment. For learning task 6, give the right sequence of the following standard cleaning procedures by writing letters from letter A to E. On the space provided, write your answer on a separate sheet. Preparation of equipment to be sanitized. For learning task 7, read the situation provided below and provide a detailed response. Include examples and assumptions. Write your answers in a separate sheet of paper. If you will be given the chance to become a businessman, what cleaning agent will you sell to the market today, especially in this time of pandemic? Kindly draw and describe its use or uses. Keep safe. See you on my next video lesson. Ma'am Jo.